So here it is, guys. OnePlus finally released Android Nougat based OxygenOS community build, which is called Open Beta 8, and you can download it right away and flash it manually because you are not going to get any OTA update even if you are using community build. So let's go and check out the features in this build. Let's first of all go to settings menu, about phone. You can find I'm running Android version 7.0. So let's talk about the interface first. If you swipe left, you will get the shelf here, and you can add widgets from here. So that's the same, nothing changed. There's no new application which comes with this build. It's all the community build applications. So, and if you pull down the notification area style has been changed. You will get a different style of notification. If you turn hold, you can go and change the settings of the notification area, and then these are the toggles here. You can edit, and then you can add more toggles. And one more option is that you will get the direct replay option in messages. So even you receive any notification, you can see a replay button here, so you can directly click and then reply to that message. So these are the changes happened. There's no changes happened for the contacts option. And if you go to settings menu, data usage, and here you have data firewall, and then alert slider. You can customize the alert slider option. Buttons you can customize, gestures, off-screen gestures, and here is an option called status bar. From there you can customize the status bar look. If you want to see battery icon in different format, you can go for that. If you don't want to see the short battery percentage, you can do that also, and you can basically turn on and off each and every notification icons from here. Besides that, if you slide from the left from any of the settings menu, you will be able to get these settings options in the left side. So it's pretty good. You can slide or click on this icon. You can access the settings options and you can jump from one to another. So let's go to the display menu. You have adaptive brightness, sleep, night mode, screen calibration, theme. As usual, we have dark theme, and then we have accent color, font size, display size. So here is the DPI changes. So from here, this option you can change the DPI. So this is default. If you want to change to a smaller one, you can go for that. If you want a bigger one, you can go for that. I'll go with the default for now. So it's a really good option. Besides that, we have ambient display, screensaver, health notification, LED. That's all about the display. And then sound, you have all these options. And then here is the audio settings. You have audio tuner. To use the audio tuner, you need to connect your earphone, headphone or something, and you can turn it on and then type the earphone type, and then presets you can change, which is really good. And then we have a notification, so you can customize the notification from any of the application. You can do this from here. And battery, you can see all the battery options, and you have battery optimization option here, as well as high power usage apps. So if you want to auto close high power usage apps to save battery, you can do that. And as usual, the battery saver option, so you can turn it on for a particular threshold. After that, we have storage and memory. As usual, users, applications. From here you can change application settings. You can give permissions to application, notification option of the application, and you can also change the data usage. If you want to block it from using, you can do that. Then in the settings menu, you can see other options like app permissions and default application. That's all of the apps. And then location, security and fingerprint. Here you have app locker, so you can lock applications. Next we have accounts, Google, date and time, language and input, backup and reset. Advanced option, you have accessibility option. From there you can play with magnification gesture and other things. Then you can do these scheduled power on and off. So that's all about the settings menu. And if you click on the recents panel, you will get this recents panel, and you have this multi-window option here. So if you want to put any software or application in multi-window, just open that and drag and drop into top. So you can choose one application on top side and you can choose the other application on the other side. So you'll get like this. And if you want to change the size of the different windows, you can play with this. And not all the applications are supporting this multi-window right now, so it will take some time for developers to come up with. And when you press home button, you can see the color of the notification icon is changed. The notification bar is changed. That's because we are using multi-window right now. So if you click on the recents panel, you can see that. So depending on the application's color tone, the notification color will be changing. So if you can either close that, so you can see the notification bar color has changed. So overall, this is a stable build, and if you are an Android fan, you can definitely go and check out this one. You can use it as a daily driver, no issues. And talking about the performance, this is the benchmark test I've got for this Nougat build. And if you want to install this build over your community build or official build, what you need to do is you can download the file and then flash it manually. I will provide a link in the description. From there you can see how you can flash using TWRP if you are having TWRP, or you can if you don't have TWRP, you can flash it over sideload or local upgrade. And there are some issues with build, as it's mentioned in their forum. One is that Android Pay may not work correctly, and then some stability and performance issues there. And after upgrading to Android N, you will not be able to directly downgrade back to M build. So that is there. Besides that, all the functions are working fine, and I definitely recommend you to try this. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.